Hey guys, it's me again. I got my computer all switched in a new case. Cable management kind of sucks, but there's no cable management holes, so my hands are sort of tied on that one. We got my new heatsink here. It's a Scythe 2. It barely fits in here. I had to put the fan sucking air across it out the other 20mm fan because it can't fit because of my gigantic OCZ Reaper memory. We now have two 9800 GTs and SLI, 750 gig hard drive. We just got ourselves I had an extra floppy lying around that I still use from time to time, so I put that in there. We also have a Samsung multi-writer with light scribe. We got our Ultra LSP 750 watt power supply. We have two of these Cooler Master, what are they called? Cooler Master silent fans. They work real good. If you're looking for a quiet fan that still moves quite a bit of air, I highly recommend those. And that pretty much does it. I'm going to get this put together and booted up, and we'll see how she runs. Alright, well, we got it all hooked up. All lights and switches work. And their DVD drive and all that stuff works. Listen to how quiet it is. The loudest thing in this is definitely the video card. The fans are set around 58%. That seems to be more than enough. And if anybody's wondering why I have an old school keyboard on top of it, it's because for some reason my USB ports don't work until it boots into, well, it works to get into BIOS and stuff like that, but it will not work after that. I installed Ubuntu just to see if it was cool. Ended up thinking it was fun for a while and then just deleted it. I installed it as a program and I uninstalled it, but at the beginning of the boot sequence it still wants me to choose between Ubuntu and my XP Professional. So if anybody knows how I can make it stop doing that, that'd be just great, so I can get this ancient thing off the top of my nice case. Anyway, I think I'm going to run a 3D Mark now and see how all these upgrades have affected this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Alright, well, we got 11,829 3D marks. CPU score ain't that great, but kind of an old processor now. It's probably a bottleneck. It's probably bottlenecking the 9800 GTs, I don't know. So, but this is still more than good enough for just having a second computer inside of a closet. And again, it's just so quiet. Like, listen to my other computer. Turn this down for a second. And I got my two 8800 GTs in there still. And all of these fans except for the top one are on low. So, quite a bit louder. So yeah, that'll pretty much do it for this. Again, if anybody knows how to get rid of that stupid Ubuntu all the way so it doesn't bother me on startup, that'd be great. This is probably the last video I'm going to do with this crappy cell phone camera. I finally went and bought a HD camera, so I'll be doing my videos with that from now on. So I'll definitely take a video of my stuff in HD just as a test. So till then, peace out, guys.